The
mayor's been assassinated.
By protocol.
Oh, good. Oh, man. Good. Did you just kill protocol?
You should warn Blizzard. I mean, what is Blizzard's problem? I'm glad I'm recording this. He's freaking shooting at us as a mayor.
For no reason. We're not even at war anymore.
Yeah.
Like, that would have made semi-sense. Not really, though, but now, yeah.
Yeah.
Because in roleplay, the SWAT wouldn't give the mayor a gun and tell him to go and try to kill a gang. That's fail RP.
And you're wanted for being a meanie.
Yeah, I know. I like ran past him like, get off our turf, and he wanted me.
Oh, there you go. Blizzard just said his job. He's not even voting for it.
Yep. Good thing you have all this.
Here you go, Frankie and Daniel. This shows you why everyone hates Blizzard. He's such an abuser.